Being able to configure projectors in unusual circumstances, which is what we're doing. We're clustering projectors together, and we're doing a lot of edge blending and stereo projection with a lot of quite sophisticated VR applications. This is also where projection design projectors have been extraordinarily precise. The ALiVE lab was created 2.5–3 years ago, and it's located at the Hong Kong Science Park. There we do a range of visualization and visualization systems for artistic and cultural heritage work. We also do scientific visualization there. We're dealing with large-scale data sets and very high-resolution laser scanning and photography of World Heritage Sites. We're working a lot in 3D, and our systems are generally designed for a mass public and in public venues. So we have a series of works distributed throughout the world. Having high-quality projectors and with great color wheels and just projection fidelity is extremely important to our work. And we're also dealing in the cultural sector, so finding the best fit between very high-end quality, which they demand, and good service and personal service and price is one of the things that we work on. So with projection design projectors, we meet all of those necessities of our business. So one of the other very important qualities of a projection system for us is because we're operating in museum contexts. These museums are open 7 days a week. The systems are on from 10 till 6 p.m., sometimes longer. And so with a projection design system, we know that we've got very good quality over that period of time. So it's a very good relationship between projection design and the museum world in terms of longevity, how often you have to change the lamps, and all these other things. The projection design system works best for us.